Hi everyone, myself Dr. Vinci, HOD Physics. Hope all are doing well. Today we are going to start physics in this new semester. So in this semester you have to study physics paper entitled Modern Physics and Electronics with paper code PH3 CMT01. Myself and Dr. Nishad KK, we both are sharing this paper. So we'll take modern physics and my part is electronics. Last semester, you did some experiment related to electronics, that is forward and reverse characteristics of PN junction diode, Zener diode, etc. So in the semester, you will study all these things in detail, and also one more section, that is the digital electronic part, which is new to you. So I am going to start module 4, digital electronics. Objectives of this module. In this module, you will familiar with basic logic gates and or and not, universal logic gates nor NAND, and also two more gates, exclusive or and exclusive NOR gate, that is SOR gate and SNOR gate. You will understand Boolean algebra and basic properties of Boolean algebra, able to simplify simple Boolean functions by using basic Boolean properties. You will able to simplify logic expressions using Boolean algebra. You will understand De Morgan's theorem. You will familiar with full adder and half adder. You will understand different number system and their conversions. In this semester, you will study 4 number systems, namely decimal number system, binary number system, hexadecimal number system, and octal number system. You will study these number system in detail and also their conversions. You will understand binary mathematics. Introduction. Boolean algebra deals mainly with the theory that both logic and set operations are either true or false, but not both at the same time. There are 3 basic logic operations in Boolean algebra, which are OR, AND NOT operations. The mathematical symbols positive and dot, so plus or dot, are used for OR and operations respectively, and NOT operation is indicated by a bar over the input variable. We can use truth tables and Boolean expressions for stating the relationship between the input and output variables of a digital system. And you will use the letters like A, B, C, etc. For representing the digital inputs. For connecting the input and the output, we use the equal sign, that is equal. First, AND gate. The AND gate is an electronic circuit that gives a high output only if all its input are high. This gate performs logical multiplication. The Boolean expression y is equal to a dot b, which reads y equals a and b. Bear in mind that this dot is sometimes omitted. Sometimes it is represented as y is equal to ab. The AND gate is composed of 2 or more inputs and a single output. This is a 2-input AND gate and it has only one output. Inputs are a and b, output y is equal to ab. So this is a 2-input AND gate truth table. You can see the outputs AB will be high only if both the inputs A and B are high. That is, only one condition the output is high. In 3 other cases the output is low, since one or more input is low. This is a 3-input AND gate and its truth table. The 3 inputs are W, X and Y, and output Z is equal to W, X, Y. So you have 8 possible input conditions for 3-input AND gate. And you can see in output you will get only high output only for one case, that is both the 3 of the inputs are high. On all other cases you will get a lower output, since one or more input is low. This is the switch representation of the AND function. So we have to satisfy all the 4 conditions. We have to check all the 4 conditions. In the first case, if the switch A is open and B is closed, that is 0, 1. If A is open, B is closed, the current won't flow in this direction, current won't flow and the bulb won't glow. In the second case, A equal to 1, B equal to 0. That is, A switch is closed and B switch is open. What will happen? The bulb won't glow. The current won't flow and the bulb won't glow. In the next case, if both A and B are closed, that is A equal to 1, B equal to 1, what will happen? The current will flow and bulb will glow. That is the third condition. You will get output only for A equal to 1 and B equal to 0. This is the AND gate using diodes. You can see two diodes, D1 and D2, and inputs A and B, and output Y equal to A dot B. So we are going to check four conditions. First, when A equal to 0 and B equal to 0, what will happen? In this case, both the inputs are grounded and the cell on the output side forward bias the diode D1 and D2. The diodes conduct but bring the output to the ground potential, that is Y is equal to 0. Next case, if A equal to 1 and B equal to 0, what will happen? The diode D2 will conduct, okay, and D1 remains ideal. Now the output Y is the voltage across D2. Since there is no voltage across D2, you won't get output across Y. The next case is A equal to 0 and B equal to 1. In this case, diode D1 conduct. Diode D1 will be in the forward bias and diode D2 will be in the reverse bias. So the output voltage means the voltage across A, but there is no voltage across A. So you will get next case also Y equal to 0. Then the next case, A equal to 1 and B equal to 1. In both cases, D1 and D2 will not conduct, as they are both reverse bias. The output voltage Y is equal to the battery voltage, that is equal to 5 voltage, or the state as 1. So you will get high output voltage only for the third condition, for the fourth condition, that is A equal to 1, B equal to 1. Next, OR gate. The OR gate is an electronic circuit that gives a high output if one or more of its inputs are high. Here the output voltage is represented as 5 volt, or the output state, high state, is represented as 1. The output voltage is low voltage is represented as 0 volt, and the low output state is represented as 0. So this is a 2 input OR gate and the output Y is equal to A plus B. So this is the truth table for 2 input OR gate. You can see the output will be high if any one of the input is high. So you will get a low output, that is 0 output only for one condition, that is both the inputs are low. This is a 3 input OR gate and its truth table. The inputs are W, X and Y, and output Z is equal to W plus X plus Y, and this is the truth table for 3 input OR gate. And we have 8 possible conditions, and you can see you will get a lower output only for one condition when all the inputs are lower. This is the switch representation of the OR function. We can see 2 switches A and B, they are connected in parallel. Okay, so the first case, A equal to 0, B equal to 0, that is both switches are open. What will happen? The current won't flow and the bulb won't glow, that is the output is equal to 0. In the second case, when A equal to 0 and B equal to 1. B equal to 1 means this is closed. So the current will flow in this direction and the bulb will glow and you will get an output. Third case, A equal to 1, B equal to 0. That is A is closed, B is open. So the current will flow in this direction and the bulb will glow and you will get an output. Fourth case, when both the switches are closed, that is A equal to 1, B equal to 1. So the current will flow in both this direction and the bulb will glow and you will get an output. Next, OR gate using diodes. There are 2 diodes D1 and D2. They are connected in forward bias. So the first case, A equal to 0, B equal to 0. What will happen? Both A and B are at 0 level, low output. So the voltage will be low because the diodes are not conducting. Next, A equal to 0, B equal to 1. Here, the diode D1 is in reverse bias and D2 is in forward bias. So what will happen? Diode D2 will conduct and the current will flow in this direction and you will get an output. Next case, A equal to 1 and B equal to 0. What will happen? The situation is similar to the previous one. That is, here the diode D1 will conduct and diode D2 does not. Therefore, the output is equal to 1. Next is A equal to 1, B equal to 1. So both diodes D1 and D2, they are in forward biased and the output is therefore high. Next is NOT gate. The NOT gate is an electronic circuit that produces an inverted version of the input and its output. It is also known as an inverter. That is, the output is the complement of the input. This means that when a high level input is given, the output is low and vice versa. The NOT operation of a variable A is represented as A bar. This is the input and this is the output. It has only one input and only one output. So this is the logic symbol and this is the truth table. If A is 0, A bar is 1. If A is 1, the output is 0. This is the switch representation of the NOT function. So we have to check two conditions. When A equal to 1, when A equal to 1 means the output is 0. A equal to 1. So what will happen? A equal to 1 means the switch is closed. So what will happen? The switch is closed means the current will flow in this direction. The current won't flow in this direction because the current always prefers a low resistance path. If it is closed, this is the low resistance path compared to this path because here this offers a more resistance. So when A equal to 1 means this is closed and current will flows in this direction, since this path offers a low resistance path and you won't get an output. Next is A equal to 0, that is A is open. So the current will flow in this direction and the bulb will glow and you will get an output. Next is NOT gate using transistor. NOT gate using transistor. Here we are using a CE transistor for this. The circuit consists of NPN transistor in the common emitter configurations, that is CE configuration. Next, we have to check two conditions. First is when A equal to 0, here there is no input voltage, so that the base and the collector current are 0 and the transistor is said to be in the cutoff condition. Therefore, the output voltage VCC, that is Y is equal to, that is this voltage will appear across here, so you will get an output. If A is equal to 1, when the input voltage is high, the base emitter junction becomes forward biased and the collector current attains a maximum. So in this condition, the transistor saturates and the output voltage becomes 0. That is Y is equal to 0. So you have to note when A is equal to 1, the transistor is in cutoff condition, and when A equal to 1, the transistor saturates. So we checked all the two conditions. So today we studied three basic logic gates, that is AND, OR, NOT, their logic representation, truth table, switch representation, and diode representation for AND or then transistor representation for NOT gate. Thank you.